Classic Army Airsoft Guns, a legacy in the airsoft community, reflect decades of expertise and commitment to authenticity. Known for their high-quality craftsmanship, accuracy, and durability, these airsoft replicas mirror real firearms. With a wide range of models and meticulously replicated details, they offer enthusiasts a taste of historical and modern military firearms in a safe and recreational setting. Classic Army Airsoft Guns continue to be a preferred choice for both beginners and seasoned players, embodying a rich tradition of excellence. Number 10. Classic Army K870 Breacher Shotgun. A force to be reckoned with in the airsoft world. Crafted for those seeking a compact yet powerful shotgun, this airsoft gun features a robust full-metal construction and a sawed-off barrel, providing a unique, intimidating aesthetic. The K870 breacher is spring-powered, ensuring reliability and consistency with each shot. Its pump-action mechanism adds to the realism and offers a satisfying feel while cycling through rounds. The adjustable hop-up allows for fine-tuning, optimizing accuracy and range on the battlefield. With its tri-rail system and ergonomic pistol grip, customization and maneuverability are at the forefront, making the Classic Army K870 Breacher Shotgun a favorite among airsoft enthusiasts looking to dominate close-quarter skirmishes. Number 9. Classic Army Nemesis X9. A powerhouse in the world of airsoft semis. This compact yet potent airsoft gun boasts a metal upper and lower receiver, ensuring durability while maintaining a lightweight profile. Powered by an electric motor, the Nemesis X9 delivers an impressive rate of fire and consistent performance. The embodying handguard and top Picatinny rail provide ample space for customization, allowing you to tailor your loadout to suit your style. The programmable electronic control system lets you fine-tune settings such as burst mode and rate of fire. The retractable stock ensures comfort and adaptability, making the Classic Army Nemesis X9 a top choice for players seeking a versatile and reliable SMG on the airsoft field. Number 8. Classic Army M6A2. A true representation of tactical excellence in the airsoft world. Modeled after its real steel counterpart, this airsoft gun boasts a robust metal construction that stands up to the rigors of intense gameplay. Equipped with a full-length Picatinny rail system, it offers ample space for accessories like optics, grips, and lasers, allowing you to customize your setup to perfection. The adjustable stock and ergonomic pistol grip ensure a comfortable and stable shooting experience, making it easy to maneuver on the field. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the electric motor provides consistent and reliable firepower. The Classic Army M6A2 is a versatile and battle-ready airsoft rifle, perfect for players looking to dominate the field with accuracy and precision. Number 7. Classic Army DT4. A remarkable airsoft gun designed to excel in various gaming environments. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this airsoft gun boasts a full metal construction, providing durability and a realistic weight. The versatile embodying handguard and top Picatinny rail offer plenty of space for accessories like optics, grips, and more, allowing players to tailor their loadout for any mission. The quick-change spring system enables easy adjustments to FPS, adapting to field regulations or player preferences. Equipped with a high-torque motor and an electronic control system, the DT4 delivers consistent performance and a rapid rate of fire. The Classic Army DT4 is a reliable and adaptable airsoft gun, perfect for players seeking a competitive edge on the field. Number 6. Classic Army Nemesis. A pinnacle of innovation and performance in the airsoft world. This exceptional AEG features a robust metal construction, combining durability with a sleek aesthetic. The embodying handguard offers versatility for accessory attachments, while the Picatinny top rail allows customization with optics and other tactical gear. Powered by an electric motor, the Nemesis delivers a formidable rate of fire and consistent shot-to-shot accuracy. Its programmable electronic control system allows users to tailor settings to match their style of play. The adjustable stock and ergonomic pistol grip ensure comfort during extended skirmishes. The Classic Army Nemesis is a go-to choice for airsoft enthusiasts seeking a reliable and customizable AEG for intense gameplay, embodying Classic Army's dedication to quality and performance. Number 5. Classic Army ARS 312, a marvel of airsoft engineering. This AEG automatic electric gun stands at the forefront of innovation, featuring a robust metal construction for both durability and a realistic weight. The versatile M-Loke handguard and Picatinny top rail provide ample space for customization, allowing players to mount optics, grips, and other accessories with ease. The quick-change spring system ensures adaptability to different FPS requirements, giving players the flexibility needed for various game scenarios. Powered by a high-torque motor and an advanced electronic control system, the ARS 312 delivers consistent performance and a commendable rate of fire. The Classic Army ARS 312 epitomizes the brand's commitment to excellence, offering airsoft enthusiasts a reliable and versatile AEG for a competitive edge on the battlefield. Number 4. Classic Army 132 Micro Gun. A compact yet fearsome airsoft artillery. Modeled after its larger counterparts, this micro gun features a robust construction ensuring durability during the most intense airsoft battles. Its 4 rotating barrels deliver an impressive rate of fire, turning the tide of any skirmish in your favor. The integrated hop-up system enhances accuracy, allowing you to hit targets with precision. With its compact size and manageable weight, the 132 microgun offers surprising maneuverability, making it a formidable choice for kick or tight spaces. The Classic Army 132 microgun is a force multiplier, embodying Classic Army's dedication to crafting high-performance airsoft weapons that redefine the game. Number 3. Classic Army M132 Vehicle Mounting Kit. A game-changing accessory designed to take your airsoft experience to the next level. This kit is the perfect solution for players looking to mount the fearsome M132 microgun on vehicles, turning any scenario into an adrenaline-fueled battle. The robust construction ensures the microgun remains secure and stable even during rapid maneuvers. With a quick release mechanism, transitioning from on-foot combat to vehicle-mounted firepower is seamless. This kit provides airsoft teams with unmatched versatility, enabling strategic assaults and adding a unique dimension to airsoft gameplay. The Classic Army M132 Vehicle Mounting Kit is the epitome of airsoft innovation, promising an exhilarating and immersive gaming experience like never before. Number 2. Classic Army M24 Alter. A precision bolt-action airsoft sniper rifle that commands the battlefield. Designed for unparalleled accuracy and range, this airsoft sniper rifle features a robust metal receiver and a durable polymer stock, striking a balance between sturdiness and maneuverability. The fluted outer barrel not only reduces weight, but adds to its aesthetic appeal. The adjustable hop-up system fine-tunes that trajectory, allowing for precise shots at various distances. The 20mm Picatinny top rail accommodates optics, giving the shooter a clear sight picture. With a smooth bolt action and a powerful spring, the Classic Army M24 Alter offers consistent and reliable performance, making it a favorite among airsoft snipers seeking the ultimate in accuracy and power. Number 1. Classic Army ISSC MK22. A high-performance airsoft rifle that mirrors its real steel counterpart. This AEG automatic electric gun boasts a robust polymer construction, providing a lightweight yet durable platform ideal for extended gameplay. The ergonomic design and comfortable grip enhance handling and control, ensuring accuracy and agility on the field. The integrated Picatinny rails offer ample space for customization with various accessories, allowing players to tailor their loadout to their preferences. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the ISSC MK22 delivers a formidable rate of fire and consistent shot-to-shot accuracy, making it a favorite among airsoft enthusiasts seeking both reliability and performance. The Classic Army ISSC MK22 is the epitome of innovation,